Hi everyone, it's Janet Wakeland with RemARKably Created, and I wanted to pop on real quick to give you a sneak peek of the swag box that is part of my holiday mingle happening in October. And I wanted to pop on because September 30th is the last day to register to get 2 bonus projects. In addition, I have limited the swag boxes to 50, and there are only a few left. So one of the things that we're going to focus on in this mingle, this virtual craft retreat, is we're going to focus on enamels, different fun techniques using them. And I think that you're going to fall in love with them. So as part of that, you're going to find yourself with some daubers. As promised, we're going to do not just cards, but we're going to do crafts. And we're going to focus on October, November, December holidays. So some things for crafts, you're going to get the die set. You're going to have the option of adding on some retired exclusive masks, which you're going to love using with the enamels. We're going to have some fun holiday papers. In addition, you're going to get to experience some of the new autumn paper, some of the new two-tone paper. All of your cards will come with envelopes. You're going to have an opportunity to have PDFs for each one of the projects, videos for each one of the projects, chances to win prizes, play games. The Holiday Mingle Craft Retreat is hosted in a private Facebook group, which means that you're going to be able to access it on your time, in your time zone, when it's convenient for you. And all of the fun graphics, PDFs, video tutorials are never removed so that you can access them as long as you want to. And for those of you not in the U.S. or not interested in the full-on swag box, but just want to participate in seeing the videos, a chance to win prizes, hanging out with us in that crafty retreat, then I do have a watching only option. And all of those details are in the video, in the comment section associated with this. And of course, you can always reach out to me, Janet, at RemARKablyCreated.com. But just a little bit of a sneak peek of the fun that will be coming in this Holiday Mingle Crafty Retreat box. Thanks, guys.